Welcome back, everybody. It's been a while since I made a video, and it's my fault. A lot of stuff going on, personal life. As you can tell, my garage is pretty empty, and new vehicles in here. So if you guys want to stick around to the end of the video, I'll go into a little bit more detail revolving around that. Right now, I'm trying to make a quick video about putting on the rough country side steps on my 21 Wrangler JL. A little bit of pain in the ass. The instructions, if I have to be completely honest, not very helpful. So I figured I'd just make a quick video. It's actually really easy to do once you get, used to it. But I'm gonna go ahead, do a video real quick, and at the end, like I said, if you want to stick around, I'll tell you guys more about the channel and how it's gonna be, hopefully staying alive. Thanks, guys. All right, guys. So I got the Willys Edition JL. It came with the rock guards. It's not too bad to take these off. You're gonna have two 13mm bolts, and then two 10mm nuts. You're gonna have two on this side, and then two on this side, both on either side of the actual stay. So we're gonna go ahead and back these two out just a little bit, just to give it some play. So take the 13s, loosen them up, take off the 10 mil nuts, and then just finish taking those off. This is a lot heavier than it looks, so just be ready for this to fall down on you. By the way, I'm doing this with my head mount for my GoPro, so I'm trying to keep tabs on where I'm actually looking. Do recommend a deep socket just to make your life a little bit easier on these. These are actually pretty deep. So with this kit, it has brackets. You're gonna see this one, it's got no notch on it. And this one does have a notch on it. So let's just show it. There you go. So the one with the notch is actually gonna go in the front on that bracket. No notch goes in the back. Stay bracket, front side, and then the tiny one is going to go with the front. All right. Now that we got the front bracket on, we just have to find out where we put the other one. Oh, it's on my chest. Yeah, look at that. Like I said, don't wrench these down. You're going to have to finish them by hand. But this helps speed that hand part up quite a bit. Because this is where you get your adjustability from. So you don't want to take that away. But you do want to get it, not that tight. So that part's done. So the way that they did this was that these slide in behind. There's a grate. Make the light to hit it right. So these slide, you have to get them behind here and get this to sit in here. And there's supposed to be, according to the instructions, a retaining piece of plastic that actually we put this in and holds it. I was lucky enough not to have one come in the box, so this is an absolute nightmare. So you have to basically get one in, get it to sit long enough for you to get a nut on it, get the nut on it, try to get the other side in, then get the actual bolt in through the bottom. Then once you get the bolt into the bottom, back the nut off, put the washer on, and then put the nut back on. So, all right, so you want to keep these two bolts loose because this is how it's going to slide. And this is how you adjust it forward to backwards, you know, front of vehicle to back of vehicle. You want to try and line them up. It fits pretty good with underneath the rail. So, but once you get it where you know you want, tighten these two bolts up. And then once you get these two tightened up, you actually have that set. Then you can use this bolt and even the one on top to actually guide this in and out. Alright guys, so all in all, not really that bad of an install. It's actually really quick once you understand what you're actually doing. The problem I was having was that the instructions were absolutely miserable to try and read and understand, and they're black and white and just very rudimentary. So, but they came out good. Like I said, they're actually adjustable, so you can actually push them in, pull them out, shift them side to side, wherever you want to put the step at. It gives you, I'd say, guesstimation, probably about 3 inches of adjustability. But I like them. So I'm hoping they'll do just as good as those rock guards did. But now I'm going to go inside. I'm going to try and edit this video and see if my GoPro actually even picked anything up I did under there, since it was so tight. Benefit I will say I do miss working on the Jeeps is that you don't have to jack it up, just crawl underneath. But so if you guys have paid attention to my IG, you guys know that I had the Clementine towed out of here, scrapped. I miss her. There's going to be a lot of other things in the future, hopefully. And one of the things is right now I'm just in the middle of a big life change and moving. So hopefully in the near future, not too far apart, I will be getting my hands on another 4G. My daughter already told me that she wants me to get another one, and I'm kind of with her on that one. And we'll see how the future holds. You know, things are changing. Got to keep changing with it. But my IG is still going, guys. If you have any questions, you need any help with anything, feel free to just hit me up. A lot of you have. I can always just answer it. I'm on IG all the time. I'm trying to get the channel and everything back up. You're going to see a lot more stuff for Jeeps right now for the near future. But keep your eyes peeled. Eventually, I will be getting my hands back on a 4G. But thank you, everybody, for everybody watching, subscribing, and hopefully I get you guys some more material. And then maybe if I can get a hold of Mike to come down here with his car, and then I can get some more 4G, rip his car apart. Thanks again, guys.